My amazing people, welcome to day 5 of the 100 members school challenge. In today's video, I will show you how to invite members to your school group. I'm Azim Ahmed, I'm an electrical engineer turned copywriter and I'm building my school community from scratch, growing it past $10K per. So let's go one by one. First off, for paid communities, you have to share your group's about page URL. So if you go to your community and this is my community and I will simply click here settings and here is the tab is invite. If I click here, so this is my invite link. I only have to share this link if I have a paid community and share it with my friends or prospective members in DMs, through email, on social media, everywhere I want to invite people to my paid community. So this is for paid community. Simply you have to click this link and share this link to your prospective members anywhere you like. Then we have free communities or communities that want to invite members for free. These communities may be paid, but they want to invite some members for free, right? In exchange of some offer or value or anything like that, depending on their model or their strategy. So for free communities or communities who want to invite members for free, there are a few couple ways. First off is email invites. Now, if you go to invite tab here, and here you have to type the email address of the person you want to invite through email. Okay, simply type their email here. Let's say I want to invite this person, right? You need to simply click here send, and now they will get an notification email asking them to join the group with your invite link. Once they click on that link, they will be able to join. Let me show you what that looks like. If I go to my Gmail, I should have gotten an invite. Okay, so this is the invite by Azim Ahmed invited you. Azim Ahmed, so this is the invite. Azim Ahmed invited you to join Schoolers. I open this email. So here, if I click here, join now, I will be instantly added to the community. I will instantly become the member of the community because these invite methods will grant instant success without purchasing or requesting membership. So once I click this button join now, I will instantly become the member of this community. Okay. So next way is to import CSV file, right? So you have to click the import button, then click on the upload file option, right? So if you click here import, here you have to upload the Excel file containing all the email addresses of the people you want to invite, right? So step number one is to upload the CSV file. You can also use this template. Okay, so this is the template you can use if you want to invite people in bulk using their email addresses, right? So you only have to have email addresses here. And step number two is select what courses these members will have access to, right? You can change the access to courses from here. Actually, on hobby plan, you cannot unselect the courses. If you are on a pro plan, you can unselect and choose which courses the members will have access to. And simply, step number three is to simply send invites. If you click here, the invites will be sent to all those people through their email addresses. So this is the thing. Bulk invites will grant instant access without purchasing or requesting membership, as we know already, right? Importing leads or opt-in email addresses is not allowed. So this is the official recommendation from the school. Okay, so it's better if you have a large list. You need to send invites in batches of 500 and monitor the join rate, right? So that's it. So before you go, I want to invite you to my 100 members school challenge. If you want to start a school community and make it with it faster, then join my challenge. First link in the description down this video. You will build you will build and grow your community alongside others just like you. Because we believe that building alone is boring while building together is fun. So this is Azim Ahmed and I hope to see you in the next video.